Yesterday, we talked about what custom properties are. I showed some examples of how they're used and explained how they're different from built-in properties. Today, let's see how you can actually create and use a custom property to enable control of app publishing permissions. To enable this functionality, you'll need to do three things. First, you'll need to create a custom property and populate it with a list of stream names. Then you will need to assign to a user the names of streams where you would like that user to be able to publish apps. And lastly, you will need to create a security rule that will control publish permissions for users and streams. Let's get started, and for reference, let's see where a user can publish apps to now. So we would have the before and after view for comparison. If you jump to the hub and try to publish apps, you'll likely see something like this. The only stream that's available for publishing is stream everyone. Let's see how we can build a functionality that will let you control which streams a user can publish apps to. And by the way, the steps that I will be following today are part of the Enable Publishing of Apps from Hub guide that's part of the Qlik Sense Security course. So the hub or the how we already covered. The next thing we'll need to do is create a custom property. And to do that, we need to go to Custom Properties section of QMC and click the Create a New button. Let's do that. So here's the QMC. Let's go to Custom Properties section and click the Create New button. Next, we'll need to enter the name and the description of the custom properties and select users as the resource. The resource essentially tells Qlik Sense where we want to add this custom property. We want to be able to bring up a user profile and select streams where we want the user to be able to publish apps. And since we'll be specifying publish permissions for users, we'll add this custom property to users. Let's do that. I'll add the name and then add the description and select users as the resource. Okay, let's see what's next. Next, we'll need to click the Create New button in the Values section and enter name of a stream where we want the user to publish apps. I'll go ahead and open up QMC in a separate tab so I can see the names of my streams. For you, you would enter names of your streams here, and I'll speed up this part so you wouldn't have to watch me type names of all of my streams. Okay, so that's done, and the only thing that's left to do is click the Apply button to create this new custom property. Okay, so now that the custom property is created, the next thing we'll need to do is pick a user and specify which streams that user should be able to publish apps to. And to do that, we'll need to go to User section, select the user, click the Edit button, enable Custom Property section, select the streams where we would like the user to publish apps, and then once we're done, click the Apply button. Let's do that. So I'll jump back to QMC, go to User section, select the user, click the Edit button, enable Custom Properties, and pick a few streams where I'd like this user to be able to publish the apps to. I'll choose recruiting, server administration, and marketing. and I'll click the apply button to save the changes. Okay, so at this point, we have created a custom property and used it to specify which streams we'd like the user to be able to publish apps to. This, however, is not enough, meaning if I go back to the hub now and refresh the page and try to publish an app, notice that I still have only one stream where I can publish apps to. This is because we haven't yet created a rule that will allow this user to publish to streams that are specified in the publish to streams custom properties. Without the security rule, a custom property is just a piece of information on a user's record. It doesn't mean anything to Qlik Sense. So let's fix that. The next and final thing that we'll need to do is create a security rule that will let users publish apps to specified streams. And to do that, we'll need to go to security rules section, click the create new button, and select stream access as the template. Let's do that. So I'll go to QMC, select security rules, click the create new button, and select the stream access template. And by the way, we're creating the stream access template or we're selecting the stream access template because we're creating a rule that will control publishing permissions on a stream, hence the stream template. Next, we'll need to enter a good name and a description of this rule so that we and our teammates will know what this rule was designed to do. And we'll keep the publish and read permissions checked. Now, we definitely need the publish permissions for this rule. That's the whole point of this rule. The reason I'm leaving the read permissions selected is because typically if we want the user to be able to publish to a stream, we would also want that user to be able to see that stream. It would be a bit inconvenient for a user to be able to publish apps to a stream but not see the stream after the apps have been published. That's why I leave both publish and read permissions checked. So I'll go ahead and copy the name and paste it here, and I'll do the same with the description. Okay, so next we'll need to copy and paste this condition to advanced conditions input box. So let's do that. Copy and paste. So what this condition is saying is any user that has a value in published streams custom property that matches a name of a stream can publish and access that stream. It's as simple as that. Now let's switch the context to be only in hub because we want this rule to only give publish and read permissions to users in the hub. We don't need to have it give permissions to streams in QMC. Okay, so next let's click the preview button and see who this rule will apply to. And as a quiz, what do you think we should see? You can pause the video here and see if you can figure it out. The answer is we should see one user and 3 streams with user having read and publish permissions to those streams. This is because we only assigned 3 streams in the publish to stream custom property to one user. Let's see if that's the case. So I'll click the preview button, and sometimes you have to click it twice. Most of the time you have to click it twice for it to actually show the results. But as you can see, the rule is working as intended. That's good. The last step is to click the apply button to get this rule created. So now that we have the custom property created, we have specified which streams a user should be able to publish apps to, and we have created the security rule. Let's go back to the hub, refresh the page, and see if the user can now publish to the 3 new streams we specified. So I'll go ahead and right click an app, select publish, and look at that. The user can now publish to the 3 new streams. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled the functionality to let users publish apps from the hub with the help of custom properties. I hope that wasn't too bad. Overall, this is really just a 3-step process. You create a custom property and populate it with values, assign a custom property to users, and create a security rule. And that will give you the ability to control who can publish apps to what streams. There's a whole lot of other things you can do with custom properties. You can design data export controls. You can build app level access permissions. You can design data connection creation and sharing permissions. You can design content library management permissions, and so much more. Go ahead and give it a try, and let me know what cool things you will be able to create. And in the meantime, I'll see you tomorrow with more useful Qlik Sense admin tips and tricks.